Good afternoon, Patrick Rourke at MarineMax Clearwater. Today, let's take a quick look at a 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. First thing you're going to notice on the back hanging, we have twin 400 V10 Mercury outboards. Nice long transom here. You're going to notice we do have the stone, what they call it, gray sea decking all throughout the boat. And then one other feature that I love, especially in the middle of summer with my special haircut, is a beautiful sunshade overhead. Covers the entire transom and cockpit. As we come into the cockpit, what you're going to notice on the port side, we have a very large L-shaped seating that wraps all the way around. Ton of space for everybody. You're going to notice we have the opening sunshade. We do have the RGB lighting going on party mode all throughout the boat. Starboard side, you're going to have what I call the best seat in the house because it's right next to the AC vent, which again, on a day like today that's 90 degrees, you do love that. The wet bar, we do have a nice fridge, nice Kenyan grill, sink, and a trash receptacle. So another thing that we do have on this boat is going to be the full height windshield all the way around. You do have opening port and starboard windows forward, and then you have a nice slider. What's nice about this is if you wanted to put the drop curtain on the back, we can completely cool out this whole cockpit area. Or if you're running in the weather, it's nice to have that protection. At the helm, what you're going to notice we do have is twin Simrad GPS electronics, all your tachometers, fusion sound system, trim tabs, Simrad VHF radio, and of course your joystick. Automatically incorporated is going to be your autopilot, your auto heading. As we move forward on the boat, you're going to notice port side, you have great steps all the way getting forward. Nice high bow rail so the kids are inside the boat so they can be up on a bow rider, which is actually a cabin cruiser. Forward facing for 3 people, great access to your windlass and spotlight. And again, here's a good shot of that nice windshield, amazing visibility on this boat.